Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another, I guess I'm going to call this an install and review. I'm just going to put a trailer jack onto a trailer. I've actually bought this trailer before. This is my buddy's, this trailer jack before. This is my buddy's trailer, but on my old trailer I put the same jack on it. It's I think I paid $36 at Harbor Freight for it, so it's definitely worth it. And plus, like, your jack's just sitting like this, it's kind of a pain. But with a jack, it'll be lifted up like this, and you won't have to lift it up every time to put it on the back of your, or to connect it to the hitch on your truck or your SUV or whatever you're towing it with. But let's go ahead and get started. This one's a swivel jack. You bolt it onto the side. They have nicer weld-on ones, but like I said, this is my buddy's trailer. I'm only borrowing his trailer. I've used it a few times, so I figured why not throw a little money at it, help him out a little too. But anyways, this is a nicer one. They have nicer weld-on jacks, but I didn't know if he was gonna want to keep it. But I'm pretty sure he will, because they're actually pretty nice, pretty handy. Anyways, let's get started. They're super easy to install. It's literally 4 bolts. Like I said, it's just nice to have. That's actually everything in the box. You can look at the instruction manual, but like I said, I've already installed one of these before, so I'm just gonna bring you in close and just show you everything it comes with. This is actually the jack itself. This is the handle. It's literally a bolt. You slide it through, bolt it onto this. There is this little tube thing that comes with it that goes inside the wheel. The wheel attaches here. And the short fat bolt actually goes through that. These go onto the trailer, 4 bolts. Actually, this bolts onto the trailer. These bolt onto the other side of that mount and the 4 bolts. I'm gonna install it real quick and just show you how it's done. So I'm gonna put you up on a car jack. And that, just to show a little more clarity of the install. Like I said, this is super easy to do. I'm just gonna put the handle on real quick. Hopefully you can see everything I'm doing. So that's the handle. This is actually, this actually has to turn to get seated in, so you can tighten the bolt like that. Or the nut, I guess you could say. And these are actually, I think it's a lock nut. I'm gonna get an impact real quick and tighten that. Try to get the best view for you guys. And it bottoms out pretty fast. So that's it. Then you can rotate it up and down. And then this is gonna bolt on the one side, like this. Something else, this actually rotates to however you wanna mount it. There's 4 holes this way, and that's just so whatever size trailer you have, you can bolt it on there tight. And there's not like a bunch of play going up and down. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheel on. Like I said, it's a short fat bolt for the wheel. Spacer on the inside. You're gonna need something to hold this side while you tighten this side. I'm just gonna use channel locks. It doesn't have to be super tight because you don't want to bend it. Then your other bolts has a washer and a lock washer. I'm gonna mount this one vertically. Spacer on the other side. Like I said, I've used his trailer a few times, so I'm putting this jack on for him. It'll help him too. Then if I ever use it again, or if he wants to sell it, maybe it'll make it a little easier for him to sell. Okay, and just real quick, I'm going to show you how I have this mounted on. I just have the bolts going through this side, and the nut, lock washer, and washer on this side. I'm just going to tighten it up. Super easy to do. And to me, it's definitely worth the little bit of money you're spending, the $33. And I thought about bolting up here a little closer, but I was afraid it might interfere with the wiring harness or these chains. So I bolted it over here. And that's literally it. That's all it takes to install one of these. Like I said, these are pretty nice, especially for what you pay for them. They're a little slow, but they're nice. So that's it. That's literally it. Super easy to install. It's definitely worth it, in my opinion. Something else with these that I didn't mention, you can actually load the trailer now without it having to be on the back. Because if you load it on the back, you're going to have to find a way to lift it up, either with a car jack or something. Or if you load it without it being attached to something, you're going to have to find a way to get it onto the back of your hitch. But like I said, these are super easy. This one was I want to say it was $36, but I used the coupon, so it was like $33, I think. A 10% off coupon, Haulmaster. Super easy to install, and like I said, it's a little slower, but has a 1,000-pound capacity. But definitely worth it, especially if you have a trailer. Anyways, I'm fairly sure my friend will be keeping this. It's pretty nice. Anyways, as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Oh, one last thing I didn't mention. When you're actually where you're gonna, I guess when you hook this up to the back of the trailer and you need to get this out of the way, you actually just pull this little handle right here and turn it, and it clips into place. Anyway, still worth it. I'm out.